So I came out just for a quick run today, and it's windy. It's super. There's a bit of a storm here, a surprise storm. Sometimes we get these like weather warnings, be careful, blah blah blah. Nothing happens. Now we got zero warning, and we got this happening. It's really high tide here. Tide's not normally this high. Anyway, gotta continue. Look at the swells. We never get swells like this. It's crazy. There's a lot of debris on the seawall. Look at that. It's crazy. Are you birds not gonna bird? Well, there's kind of an interesting one. Because I'm trying, Garmin is now suggesting runs to me, so I have 10 minutes of my run left. So Garmin told me today I'm gonna do, actually didn't tell me 33 minutes at a 5:45 pace. So it didn't give me mileage, but anyway, we'll see how that works out. It worked out rather well. I ended up doing 6K in 33 minutes. Thanks for watching.